Nitish Kumar has broken ranks with the opposition. He has decided to back BJP candidate Ramnath Kovind for president. This just a day before the opposition was to meet to announce their candidate to take on Mr. Kovind, who is now likely to just have a walkover in that election. The left has said an election for president is absolutely essential. They are claiming that this is a battle of ideologies and will happen. It's not just the left, it's a stand that has echoed with the Congress as well. Remember, Sonia Gandhi is chairing that 18-block opposition who is supposed to meet tomorrow to announce their candidate. There's been buzz that the left will support either former Lok Sabha Speaker Meera Kumar or even former Union Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde, who are both Dalit leaders from the Congress, but is waiting for the party to nominate them. The BJP, of course, went ahead and announced Ramnath Kovind, who was till the start of this week the governor of Bihar. He is their candidate for the president of India to succeed Pranab Mukherjee. This is, of course, a huge blow for the opposition and its numbers and how they stand now as far as that election is concerned.
के साथ हैं ये लगभग कह दिया
मतलब आप बोले हैं
हम सब भी आदमी
मुख्यमंत्री जी ने क्या कहा
उन्हीं का है ना।
अच्छा, मुख्यमंत्री जी ने कहा कि हम लोग साथ हैं।
कल फिर क्या बैठक होगी? मुख्यमंत्री ने कहा पटना रहने को, ऐसा बात
हम लोग शाम तक पटना है।
ये साफ हो गया क्या?
नहीं, मुख्यमंत्री जी ने क्या कहा रामनाथ कोविंद जी? मुख्यमंत्री
अच्छे है बिहार के प्रति उसकी नजरिया है बिहार के विकास के लिए, इसलिए हम लोग साथ हैं।
Right, let's now go across to Manish Kumar, who's joining us for more on this. Manish, you know, this of course a big blow, like we are saying, for opposition unity, but not entirely surprising when Mr. Kovind's name first came up. We'd heard Nitish Kumar there say that, you know, he's had a good equation with him. He had supported and in fact even praised Mr. Kovind. Given his choice, it is clearly difficult for Nitish Kumar to not back him.
Yes, Natasha, Nitish Kumar, the biggest question before him was that how can he oppose somebody who is going from the Raj Bhavan in Patna to the President House. And not only that, he had an excellent rapport because Kovind never, you know, as the governor of Bihar, he never tried to embarrass Nitish Kumar. In fact, he always went out of his way to, you know, somewhere, you know, support Nitish Kumar on several issues. Much, you know, like the BJP leaders were not very happy because they wanted that, you know, the governor should be, you know, on their side. But, you know, Governor Ramnath Kovind, even though he was coming from BJP, but never entertained beyond a point to his own party men. And that is one of the main reason that is why Nitish Kumar is supporting him. And this is also, as you said, that this was not very unexpected because Nitish Kumar has already conveyed his stand to RJD chief Lalu Yadav as well as Congress President Sonia Gandhi. Natasha?
Right, Manish, and also as we're now reporting, it's of course not just that there's somebody else who's sort of broken ranks with the opposition, but that it's Nitish Kumar, someone who in fact we're told had met Sonia Gandhi first to suggest a joint candidate for the post of president, which is why his backing out at this time becomes more significant.
Yes, Natasha, Nitish Kumar wanted a consensus candidate and he wanted, you know, Congress party to take a stand and to take the entire opposition rank together. But once it was made clear that this time the NDA candidate is somebody who is holding the charge here at Patna's Raj Bhavan, so after that it became really untenable for Nitish Kumar. And once, you know, Nitish, the moment he heard, he told his aides, he told his, you know, supporters also that, you know, opposing Ramnath Kovind might be, you know, very costly for him. That is why he is supporting. And in today's meeting also, there were, you know, there was a divided opinion that whether he is going to reconsider his stand, because the Congress General Secretary Ghulam Nabi Azad was here in Patna yesterday. But Ghulam Nabi himself, you know, he made it very clear that he had not had any discussion over this issue. And it was known to everyone, at least to the Congress as well as RJD, that Nitish Kumar is not going to reconsider his stand in today's meeting. Natasha?